Hi everybody, it's Dave. We're going to unbox this SCX 24 today. This is the Deadbolt model. I chose the red one. Obviously it's packaged pretty good. It's not bad at all. I'll show you the box as much as I can. It's available in red and green. That's the Deadbolt. I imagine other models are different and have other options. And if you want to see the box a little bit, and then the back side, there you go. And then the other side. Okay, this is ready to run. Everything that you need, including the batteries, is in the box. So let's go ahead and open it up, and I'll get this set out on the table, and we'll go from there. All right, so this part is packaged pretty well. It's simple enough. It only has a wire tie holding it. It's better than, overkill. So we'll get that set out on the table. And it looks like we got a bag with batteries and charger and maybe a little Allen tool, it looks like. Some extra pieces. And then we got and I wasn't watching the camera, just in case you didn't see. This is what's in the bag. Oh, I forgot a piece. I'd like to add that this package was in there. Looks like it has extra trailing arms and stuff for the chassis. Maybe a jive shaft piece, an extra body clip in case you lose one. That was pretty nice of them to do that. So that's awesome. And then there's a book. And this is a connector guide, I guess, for the batteries and stuff. Warranty information. I've seen the word warranty on there. And maybe it's a sticker in the box. Cool. The owner's manual looks like it's pretty lengthy, so there's a little bit of detail in there. And I'm not gonna tell you that I'm the go-to guy for information on these, because I'm just not. But from what I gather, there's all kinds of aftermarket parts for these things. You can build them the way you like them. Let's see what's below that. Okay, controller is below that. Wrapped in bubble wrap. That's pretty cool. Okay, the controller looks like it's pretty good quality for the money. I didn't spend a whole lot on this. It wasn't much about, it was like $124 or something, $129, somewhere around that. So looks like a pretty good little controller. It's got trim screws, or trim dials for making it go straight in a straight line. Looks like there's 3 different speeds, so maybe it's multiple speed. It's got a channel selector. Yeah, I don't know what the top left one does. We'll have to look at that. I would imagine it maybe reverses the controls. and an on-off switch. Pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna get the batteries in the controller, and we'll put the truck battery in or plug it in. It might be in the truck already, and then I'll be right back. Actually, just go ahead and unbox this. There we go. All right, so I'm going to get the batteries in here and all that kind of good stuff. Okay, I went ahead and put the batteries in the controller. I'm going to go ahead and peel this piece off. It's a protector for the plastic. Got a nice little clear window on the top. And I've already opened this. This is the charger system. Looks like this USB plugs into, the small side plugs into the charger block. This USB can go to a computer or maybe a phone charger. And then the other side, this side, looks to me like it would plug into the battery, so put the cord on this block, plug it into a phone charger, plug the battery in there, and there you go. So let's have a look at the battery. Neat little pins to hold that on. Okay, what do we got? This looks like the charging port. Yep. And we have to plug the battery in to the controller. There we go. So let's have an overall look at it. It's got these neat little pins that hold it on, just like the bigger RC cars. This one's just little. The body's attached in the back. It's kind of on a hinge. That's pretty cool. Battery's right there. Motor's right here. Little bitty servo up front, that's pretty cool. This is a four-wheel drive, so that's pretty cool. The tires, they seem pretty spongy. They feel kind of, well, sticky rubbery, not like a plastic rubbery. A little bit of grip to them, that would be good. Let's look at the chassis a little bit. Not much play in there. That's pretty good. This articulates pretty well. The bottom does. Let's see the drive shafts. that's not too bad for being what it is. Let's see, there we go. There's not a whole lot of play in those knuckles. Pretty good for plastic. Yeah, even the front one's reasonably sturdy. I don't see a whole lot of play in the joint. And I'm right next to the microphone. I hope I'm not yelling at you. It gets louder the closer you get. So that's not too bad. Looks like a pretty nice little toy. We put the pins back, we'll turn it on. I'm not gonna run it much. Oh, it's got lights in the front. That's pretty cool. I think they make kits to actually move these up here where they belong in the grill. Maybe it has a longer wire so that you can actually raise it up and not pull the wires. Probably a pigtail. So let me clip this on. There we go, that wasn't so bad. So, let's see here. It's a reasonably powerful servo for what it is. At a dead standstill, it still turns pretty well. I imagine with the weight kits that they offer for these and things, that it might start to overwhelm that little servo. You may have to buy a better one. Yeah, but they have aftermarket, say, steering knuckles that are brass and makes it heavier, keep it down on the terrain. They make different wheels that have weights, or they make wheel weights themselves that go behind these factory wheels. They have different types of drive shafts and axles, and whew, that's pretty quick. Yeah, that's on high. So yeah, I could see how you could use this to crawl through some terrain. It would be pretty cool. Okay guys, so there you go. That's the unboxing. That's a good start. Probably the next video, we're gonna take it out and test drive it the way it is, you know, all factory. A nephew of mine, he did gift me some wheel weights, so the next video is going to be, we'll test drive it in the factory form, stock form, and then I'll bring it back in, and the third video is going to be probably installing wheel weights, and then we're going to take it out and test run it again. And then from there on, we're just going to upgrade and play. Have a good day, guys.